Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Hello and warm welcome to all compeers of the global world. My name is Atif Saleem, but I am from Faisalabad, Punjab, Pakistan. You all are watching my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for latest upcoming videos. Are you with me? Today I will elaborate you about Ielts listening module. I am sharing unique tool and technique to resolve the Ielts listening module without listen anything. Please join us. Write one number or a word for each answer. South City Cycling Club. Membership. Full membership cost $260. This covers cycling and dash all over Australia. The right answer is races. Mean to say something will be happened. Races activities. So that's why the filling the blanks should be mentioned races. The right answer is races. Question number 2. Recreational membership cost is $108. Cost of membership includes the club fee and dash. The club kit is made by a company. The right answer of cost of includes the club fee and dash. Dash means something happening. Are you guessing anything? Cost of membership includes the club fee and dash. Mean to say you are involved in racing, so chance of injury will be done. You will be performed insurance from any kind of activities. The right answer is insurance. The question number 3, right answer is the club kit made by a company called. Name of kit. Name of kit is Jerry's. Jerry's mean Jerriz. Mean to say covered each and everything to perform races, costume, dressing and so on. Question number 4. Training rides. Chance to improve cycling skill and fitness. Level B. Speed up to dash kph. Weekly sessions. Are you guessing anything? Generally, session of races are starting after 25 km. Mean to say 25 km is the right answer. Tuesday at 5:30 am meet at the dash. The right answer is place of meeting, venue, location of meeting. The location of meeting is public place, famous place, just like stadium. Question number 5, right answer is stadium. Thursday at 5:30 am meet at the entrance to the dash. The right answer is parking, park. Recently, races are conducting where breathtaking and eye-catching views are here. So the right answer of question number 6 is park. Further information. Races are about an hour and a half. Members often have dash together afterwards. The right answer is something to enjoy, cheer up, just like tea, coffee and so on. The right answer is coffee. There is not always a dash with the group of these riders. Are you guessing anything? The right answer is group head, mentor, coach, simply leader. The right answer is leader. Check and point the dash on the website. The right answer is map, route. The right answer is map or route. Bike must have dash. The right answer is light. Right answer is light. Question number 11 to 16. Information on company volunteering projects. How much time for volunteering does the company allow per employee? Option number A, 2 hours per week. Option number B, 1 day per month. Option number C, 8 hours per year. The right answer is option number C, 8 hours per year. Question number 12. In feedback, all employees said that volunteering improved their option number A, chances of promotion. Option number B, job satisfaction. Option number C, relationships with colleagues. The right answer is, are you guessing anything? The right answer is B, job satisfaction. Question number 13. Last year, some staff helped unemployed people with their option number A, literacy skills, option number B, job applications, option number C, communication skills. The right answer is option number C, communication skills, because communication is the lifeblood of every organization. So answer number C is correct. Question number 14. This year, the company will start a new volunteering project with a local. Option number A, school. Option number B, park. Option number C, charity. The right answer is park. Question number 15. Where will the Digital Inclusion Day be held? Option number A, at the company's training facility. Option number B, at the college. Option number C, in a community center. The right answer is option number B, at a college. Inclusion Day, Digital Inclusion Day, mean to say get together, gathering, orientation, presentation, something special activity. So the venue will be large, mega venue, to sum up the huge capacity of ground. So my friends, right answer is at a college. Question number 16. What should staff do if they want to take part in the Digital Inclusion Day? Option number A, fill in a form. Option number B, attend a training workshop. Option number C, get permission from their manager. The right answer is C, get permission from their manager. Question number 17 and 18. Choose two letters AE. What two things are mentioned about the participant in the last Digital Day inclusion? Option number A, they were all over 70. Option number B, they never used their computer. Option number C, their phones were mostly old-fashioned. Option number D, they only used their phones for making calls. Option number E, they initially showed their direct interest. The right answer is CE. Their phones were mostly old-fashioned. They initially showed little interest. Choose two letters AE. What two activities on the last Digital Inclusion Day did participants describe? Option number A, learning to use tablet. Option number B, communicating with family. Option number C, shopping online. Option number D, playing online games. Option number E, sending emails. Are you guessing anything? The right answer is B and D, communicating with family. D, playing online games. Section number 3, 21 to 30. Planning a presentation on nanotechnology. Russ says that his difficulty in planning the presentation is due. Option number A, his lack of knowledge about the topic. Option number B, his uncertainty about what he should try to achieve. Option number C, the short time that he has for preparation. The right answer is option number B, his uncertainty about what he should try to achieve. Ross and his tutor agree that his approach in the presentation will be option number A, to concentrate on how nanotechnology is used in one field to follow chronological development of the nanotechnology. Option number C, to show the range of application of nanotechnology. Are you guessing anything? The right answer is option number C, to show the range of application of nanotechnology. The right answer is A, to concentrate on how nanotechnology is used in one field. Question number 23. In connection with sites, the tutor advised us to talk about things that he can find slides to illustrate. Option number B, look for slide to illustrate the points he makes. Option number C, consider omitting slides together. The right answer is C. Question number 24. They both agree that the best way for us to start his presentation. Option number A, to encourage the audience to talk. Option number B, to explain what Russ intends to do. Option number C, to provide an example. The right answer is option number C, to provide an example. What does the tutor advise Russ to do next while preparing his presentation? Option number A, summarize the main point he wants to make. Option number B, read the notes he has already made. Option number C, list the topic he wants to cover. The right answer is option number A. Aspects of Russ' previous presentation. 26. Structure. Option A, B, C, D, E, F. The right answer is option number G, not too technical. 27. Eye contact. Option A to G. The right answer is C. Body language. Option A to D. The right answer is, are you guessing anything? The right answer is option number D, sometime distracting. 29. Choose a word. Right answer is option number C, not enough. Question number 30. Handouts. The right answer is option number B. Hope you will enjoy my lesson. I am sending you heaps of love from Pakistan. Love you all.